This is my first attempt at a maze using hydrophobic and hydrophilic surfaces. It's intended for the outreach at the Echo Center. I thought it might be fun for the younger age groups and maybe even the adults to play with. The front is painted white and is hydrophobic. The back is painted black. It's a clear piece of plexiglass. So the plexiglass is hydrophilic, and the idea is to put a drop of water at the beginning, and this is really hard. Let's see if I can get it back over there. Come on. So this is pretty challenging. I may have to make it simpler, but it does give you a really good feel. There it goes. Good feel for the difference between a hydrophobic and a hydrophilic surface. If I can get it in there. I may have to make a coarser maze.